Warning! First flash flood warning I've got!
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a flash flood warning for western Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, east central Canadian County in central Oklahoma, until 2:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:12 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area.
Way too loud.
Inches of rain have already fallen.
Because it's louder than it should be. And
ongoing or expected to begin
WR 100, WR 300 over there.
Flooding caused by thunderstorms.
This
is a radar indicated
are loud enough to
the following impacts are expected. Flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Oklahoma City, Southern Redmond, Midwest City, Del City, Yukon, Bethany, Mustang, War Acres, The Village, Spencer, Nichols Hills, Tacoma Park, Valley Brook, Tinker Air Force Base, Forest Park, Woodlawn Park, Lake Aluma, and Smith Village. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots.
There we are. Doubleheader! My first doubleheader!